So now let's see how we can work around with the Cubism effect inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the Cubism effect, you need to go around under filters right here, and then you need to go around under artistic right here, and then choose Cubism. Once you do that, you can go around and change around the tile size, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around, you can see that this is the tile size that you can change. You can change around the tile saturation right here as well, and change around the spacing of the tiles, as you can see right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can see that you can go around and choose the background color as you wish as well. So let's just go around and choose something like green right here, which is much more closer to what our image right here. Apart from that, you can change around the opacity right here to go around and blend it out with the original image that you have right here. And you can also go around and change around the seed right here, just like this as well. So apart from that, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, blend mode around over here as well. You can lighten it, you can blend it, and so forth, as you can see right here, and change around with the opacity. You can change around the before and after preview right here, just like this, and work around with the split view just like this as well. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is applied, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can apply the Cubism effect inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.